Everyone, thanks for being with us here at 6 a.m. on our Friday morning. I'm Evan Irani in for Eric Connert.
And I'm Netta Irampur. We're going to start this hour with our top story here. We'll get right to it. This morning, a judge could finally decide on the placement of this man who you see on your screen, a sexually violent predator. State hospital officials want to place Douglas Badger into a home in Borrego Springs, but many residents there have been fighting back.
So CBS 8's Dana Marie McNichol is live at the Hall of Justice. She has more on the issues the judge is considering today. Dana Marie?
Well, good morning, Evan and Netta. The community of Borrego Springs is calling Douglas Badger dangerous. He's been in state hospital for nearly 25 years after child molestation and kidnapping, and he's soon set to be released, but with very high supervision. Now, this is the time when Borrego Springs community is begging the judge to not allow this predator into their neighborhood. First, there was talks of him living in Rancho Bernardo, then Mount Helix, but those communities fought back. The proposal by the state hospital is officials is to place Douglas Badger into a home in Borrego Springs where he would undergo treatment, be monitored by GPS, and also be prohibited from leaving the residence without any supervision. The 79-year-old man is diagnosed with a mental disorder that makes him likely to reoffend, which worries parents. They told San Diego Superior Court Judge Theodore Weathers 2 weeks ago in a hearing that they're scared because children live within a quarter of a mile of the home where Badger would live. County Supervisor Jim Desmond also noted the community's lack of rapid law enforcement response and frequent electrical outages that would make inadequate monitoring of him. Desmond said the average law enforcement response time is 28 minutes during the daytime and even longer at night, while medical and behavioral health services are located 73 miles away from the remote desert community. All things the Borrego Springs neighborhood are citing to make sure this man does not become a resident in their neighborhood, although this does lie in the hands of Judge Weathers. The hearing is scheduled for today, so of course we're hoping to get an update for that.